So it's autumn and it's a perfect time for taking a lot of tree cuttings. For me, the easiest and best tree to start on has got to be willow. You can literally cut bits off it, stick them in the ground, and chances are they're going to root for the next spring and start growing away. Traditionally they were grown as a coppice because they are so quick growing and they coppice so well and send out lots of new shoots. They are, however, very short-lived trees, and 50 to 100 years is about as long as they'll live. So we're just taking our cuttings, we're going for about pencil thickness here. I take the cuttings about 12 inches long, or 30 centimeters in metric. This allows me to have about 2/3 below the soil, 1/3 above the soil. And it means there's plenty of nodes under the ground to root from. Now we're doing ours in these pots today, but you could just as easily do these outside, as long as the ground isn't frozen solid. And like I said, chances are they will take. Here's some we took at this same time last year. So we're going to fill our 10-litre pots with a mixture of leaf mould and compost. 3 parts compost and 1 part leaf mould. Give all that a good mix. And then it's a case of cutting them below the node and above the node, making them long enough so they stick out the pot just a couple of inches. Also take all these thin side shoots off. This one's a bit longer, so I'll cut it down to just 1 node. And I should be able to fit a good 10 to 15 in each pot. Give the compost a good farm, make sure there's no air pockets. And now I'm just going to leave them outside and forget about them all winter until we get new growth in the spring. And if the conditions are right, you can get growth like this in 1 year. And plant them out next winter with a nice healthy root system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.